Get a feel for the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, power liftgate, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.